Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our videos. Our subject for today is the Tozo OpenBuds open ear headphones. And before we continue, I want to say something. I apologize for the way my hand looks in the video. I was working with some chemicals on a project and I forgot to wear gloves, and this is the result. Now it does not look nearly as gnarly as it looks on camera, but yeah. And you would think with my background I should know better. Anyways, try not to focus on it and let's get back to the show. It was released in October of 2023 and the price on this one is 1,199 rands, which converts to 78 US dollars. It comes in 4 colors: black, white, blue and pink. Some of its features include a biaxial rotational design for the perfect fit and adjustments, 14.2mm dynamic drivers for a great balanced sound, Bluetooth 5.3 technology, a 10-meter distance connectivity, a long battery life, you get 12 hours for a single charge and 42 hours from the case, a multi-point connection and many more. Okay, let's go take a closer look. So when you open the box, this is what you get: a manual and warranty pamphlet, a USB Type-C charging cable, and the Tozo OpenBuds case with the earbuds inside. With a total weight of 67 grams, it is lightweight and the pool-shaped case adds to its aesthetics. On the bottom is the Tozo logo, on the side is the indicator light, on the bottom we've got some specs, and at the back a USB port, and in the case a reset button. In my opinion, one of the features that make this earbud impressive is the design of the earbud itself. First, the hook is nice and soft for a comfortable fit, and then the biaxial rotation on the earbud allows you to adjust the earbuds to the best position for a great audio experience. There's enough surface area for the touch control. Very impressive design. Putting this on is very easy, and since the hooks are soft, you're guaranteed a comfortable wear for a long time. And also, thanks to the biaxial rotational design of this earbud, you can get the best position that improves your audio quality. Best design I've seen yet. Prove me wrong. As always, pairing is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Just flip open the lid, open the Bluetooth settings, select the Tozo OpenBuds, accept the pairing request, and bam, it is done. You are paired. Now let us see what the app offers when it comes to sound. Remember, this is not a noise cancelling headphones, so the features here are going to be very, very minimal. Okay, because all it's going to focus on is on sound. Yes, cool. So first of all, let us look at the settings here. We've got touch control, so you can set up your touch control right and left the way you want it so you can remember it. And here we have our sound collection. Now we've got 5 presets: standard, classical, treble, bass and vocal. I don't see any option of you creating your own, so I don't know, maybe it doesn't give you that option. But it does, however, give you the option that others have, like the recommended EQ settings. You know, everybody, you save your best one, your best setting on the Tozo site or whatever, and then it's presented to everybody, and if you're using the Tozo app, you can decide if you want to use somebody else's one. It's quite cool. And the one you save gets saved under here, under this column, so you can actually reach out. You can actually use it as quickly as possible as you want. Now, it doesn't give you any option of once you create here. It doesn't give you. I don't see an option for you to create your own settings, so you cannot really change anything here. So all you have are the presets and the one that Tozo offers that everybody else put online. These ones. Now I'll tell you something. this is a good option because it's a lot of options. You have a lot to choose from. You will definitely find something that you like in here. Yes, yeah, that's about it. So what do I think? I think personally, or my opinion, I think there's still a lot of work to be done when it comes to the app, right? I think it could present a lot more. I mean, if you're gonna give us some presets and they give us the ability to create the sound we want to hear, should come standard with every app. Okay, so I think they still have a lot of work to do when it comes to the app, but I don't really see much that they can do aside for you to be able to create your own sound. I don't see what else they can do. Okay, cool. All right, let's go play some music. Let us see what it sounds like. Yeah, let's go. So after using this for a while, this is what I think. Very, very good. Now, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Very clear sound, very crisp in my opinion, very balanced sound profile. It is very balanced. It has great separation of sound. You can hear everything. One sound complements the other. It is really, really good. And the fact that it is an open ear earbud really is saying something. And the build quality of this also helps the sound profile. You can exercise with this, you can run with this, you can do any activity with this on. Wow, I'm impressed, Tozo. Very good job. Oh, and before I forget, here's what it sounds like when you're using the phone to make your phone calls. Howzit T.O.B family, this is a mic test of the Tozo OpenBuds, and this is what you sound like when you are on the phone. It is very clear and there's very little outside noise coming through. For an open earbuds, I think it's got a great microphone. But I'd like to know what you think. So go to the comment section and tell me what you think of it. Let us move on. Right. So, comment section, go and tell me what you think. I want to hear from you. Tell me what you think. Alright, time for us to talk about the pros. And first thing I'm going to go with is the build quality and the design. Look at this. Just take a look at this. Right here. You can turn it any way you want. You can bend it, you can pull it, you can do all this. You can actually create your own fit with this design. Look at that. Look at that. Now, understand that this whole total surface area here is for the touch control. So you don't have to wonder if you're touching here or there or wherever. Anywhere you touch here, you'll get your controls anywhere here. That is incredible. This is the best open ear earbud design I have seen yet. That is just my take. Prove me wrong. For my next pro is definitely going to be the sound quality. I like the balanced profile of this. There's nothing higher than the other. Every single sound just seems to complement each other. I like the fact that every single profile of the entire sound you can hear. You can hear the entire components of the sound. It is really, really cool. I like it. I really like it. Very cool. And for the fact that this is an open ear earbud, that is another plus. I like it. So yeah, that's my next pro. Alright, let's talk cons. And there are a few things that I can nitpick as a con, but I'm just going to mention just the one because of the length of this video. And that would be the lack of customizable equalizer settings. Now, if you go into the app, the presets you get are all you get. You cannot create your own equalizer settings. Now, you will be able to get other equalizer settings set on the hub, but everybody wants to create their own. I mean, there's some people that have equalizer settings that they just set in their head. With every earbud, they just go straight and set it up. People like me. So yeah, everybody wants to create their own settings. So give them the opportunity to do that. That's a con for me. So let us summarize. Now, for the price of 1,199 rands, which is 78 US dollars, do I think this is a good buy? Yes, I do. I mean, there's so many pros to this, from the build quality to the sound quality to the Bluetooth connectivity, to the multi-point connection. So many pros to this. And for 1,199 rands, I think it's a steal. I think it's a steal compared to what you get from some other brands. I like it. I say get it. Good choice. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Now if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now guys, really give it a thumbs up, okay? And say something in the comment section. Leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and if you guys don't engage, YouTube does not put this video out. So please engage a video so YouTube can actually put this video out there, okay? Now, if you're here for the first time, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you know when we put out a new video. And if there's something you see on this channel or something you would like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Till next time, take care.